Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to check your Instagram comment history. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So if you want to check your Instagram comment history, then the first thing you can do is click on the heart, which is at the bottom right corner. Click on the heart and it's gonna show you like all the posts and all the stuff which you have interacted with. You can just scroll through here and see like which video you have commented, because if you have commented on a video and somebody has liked the comment, then it's gonna be shown over here saying someone has liked the comment, just like this over here, like baby girl Grace and Ujjwal Prajapati and other three liked your videos. Just like this, if your comment is liked by somebody, it's gonna show your comment is liked by this person. And the other method is you can go to your profile picture at the bottom right corner, click on the tree line at the top right corner, go to settings, and then go to account, and on account scroll down until you see post you have liked. So the post in which you have commented, you must have liked it. Like statistically, you liked the video or post and then comment on it. So you can just click on post you have liked, and these are all the posts I've liked using this account. So over here I can go and see on which video I've commented by clicking on the photo, and the comment will be shown. So that's how you check your Instagram comment history, because there is like not a legit way, like there is no button like on Facebook where you can just click on and like it's gonna show you all the videos you have commented on or all the posts you have commented on. So this is the only way to check your Instagram comment history. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.